Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Snap Ring Chronicles. Today we have another Ratchet video for you. But as always, before we start, if you can give me a like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel if you find this type of content interesting or helpful. Okay, today we have a Wizard Ratchet. Wizard was a brand of Western Auto, which is now defunct, pretty much. This is a Wizard H2833, forged in the USA, and it says keep clean and oil. Here's the head, and there's the patent number. And these ratchets were actually made by Duro Indestro for different companies, different brands. Wizard was one of the brands, Western Auto, and they also made ratchets, the same ratchet, for Powercraft and Wardmaster, which are Montgomery Ward brands. And maybe I'm not sure if those were the only ones. They could have made this for other companies also. But this is the ratchet, and just something interesting. I did a review on this Wizard Ratchet 3/8 drive before. This is a bit older, it seems, but what's interesting is that the Wizard logos, imprints, there's always a D in front of the Wizard engraving. I just find that interesting. I wonder if there's a significance for that. Okay, and I did a review on this other ratchet, which is an Indestro, which is the same mechanism but just different handles, as you can see here. This Indestro is 3275, and what I found interesting about these two is that, here I can put these down, that'll be easier. This handle, the beam on this handle, on the Wizard, is pretty much a good amount thinner than the beam thickness on this Indestro handle. If you can pick that up, you can probably see it pretty good here. This is a lot thicker than this handle, and this feels quite a bit heavier also, the Indestro, than the Wizard. I just thought that was kind of interesting. Okay, let's take a quick look inside the Wizard. It has a compression ring around the outside. Here's the ring. It kind of reminds me of the same ring that most SKs have, that keep the mechanism in for SKs. And here are the teeth. What I can say is that this is very nicely done. The teeth are very nicely cut. Everything in there looks pretty well done. I don't see anything like rough in there, and it seems like a very nice mechanism, very nice teeth. And here's just a peek at what the mechanism looks like. It has two ball bearings, one on the bottom here and one on the top, that switches that keeps the switch on one side or the other, like that. And the pawl is 3 teeth each side. And there's a deep channel there for the pawl to sit in. If you want to see the complete teardown of this mechanism, just check out my video on the Indestro 3275, which is the same mechanism as this. Okay, to put this back, I just kind of balance the pendulum there on the ball bearing, and I get that middle protrusion, and I put it in the middle of those 2 little slants there, like that. And I just switch it and make sure it's switching, and I put it back into the head. I mash down the pawl that's sticking up a little bit so I can get it in. And now the fun part is to try to get the snap ring, this ring, back in. Okay. Alright. There we go. And just test it. See if it's switching. Yep, switching pretty good. Okay. Yeah, these are pretty good ratchets. I always try to see if I spot one of these in different companies. Like I said, they came in different companies. Indestro was the manufacturer, but they did it for different department stores, mostly Western Auto, like I said, and Montgomery Ward, Powercraft, and I think Wardmaster was their brands. So if you see one of these, pick them up. They're pretty good quality. Okay guys, until next time, bye.